How to connect your laptop to a smart television without a HDMI cable. So I'll show you how to share your laptop screen to your TV using the Wi-Fi network. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure your laptop and your television are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So if I click on Wi-Fi on my laptop, you can see that I'm connected to this network here, and I need to ensure that this is the same Wi-Fi network I'm connected to on my television. Now you also need to ensure that you've turned off and disabled any VPNs. So if I go and load up the settings on my computer and I click on Network and Internet and VPN, just make sure this is turned off and disabled, and also make sure you're not using a VPN on your TV as well. Now once you're connected to the same network, you can then click on the Wi-Fi symbol. You can then use your two fingers to scroll down this page and you'll see the option here for cast. Go and click on this. Now give that a couple of seconds, and as long as your TV is turned on and on the same Wi-Fi network, you should be able to see your television from the list. So we're simply going to click on the TV like so. You may get a pop-up notification on your television that you just need to go and accept. And once you've accepted this notification, your laptop screen is now going to share over to your TV. So now anything that you do on your laptop, it's now going to be mirrored over to the TV. If it doesn't work the first time round, you may need to go and restart your network router and also try restarting your devices as well.